welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera. And right now I'm getting ready. I have a coffee date in the city in a little less than an hour. I've been doing these like overnight curls. They've been working pretty well for me, but let's see. These turned out pretty dang good. I just got this new shirt from H&M. I really like it. It's a size small though, so I hope I don't like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to like air dry it. I really don't want it to shrink and then not fit me. I don't know if there was a medium. I honestly don't remember if I looked for a medium, but I just have a couple of assignments to get done, and my sister is coming into town today, so I'm gonna pick her up from the airport after grabbing some coffee, and we're probably gonna hit up some stores and see if they got anything. Since I have a couple new subscribers, I wanted to just reintroduce myself. My name is Chiderabrittney, and I am a senior in college. It's my last semester of nursing school, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I love fitness, beauty, just lifestyle content. I do a little bit of everything. So subscribe if you want to become the best version of yourself with me. I'm gonna finish getting ready. I'll show you guys my final look. Also, who watched the Victoria's Secret fashion show? I feel like there's been a lot of mixed opinions, but I honestly liked it and I thought it was fun. So yeah, I'm all ready. And I added this piece I also got from H&M yesterday. And then some jewelry. And it's pretty cold, so I'm gonna try to find a jacket and head there now. The triple chocolate? Yeah. Chocolate does look really good. I kind of like the lemon tart. But that looks like we do. These are so cute, but they don't have 9 or 10 in store. It's giving Carrie Bradshaw. We're at Kona Grill. Let's see what's on the menu. Got sliders with no cheese. She got sliders, and then we're sharing fries, and then this big roll thing. Are you ready to eat?
Yes.
Guys, the sun is just starting to rise. It's 7 a.m. now. I just did a power sculpt class, and it was amazing. A great pick-me-up for this morning. And I guess I'm just gonna go and grab some few things out in Walmart and then head home, make some breakfast, and get my day started. Finally made it back home. I just washed all the dishes and kind of cleaned up the kitchen. And now I'm about to make a green like juice, maybe a little bit of a smoothie, but like it's a green juice. Just the ingredients I have are a little bit thick, so I picked up some bananas from the store and I'm gonna use that, and then I'll show you the ingredients I'm gonna make. Okay. I'm gonna use a lemon, only half of a lemon, some almond milk, banana, celery, spinach, and then this GC Control. It's like a supplement, and it's helps with all of these things right here. I haven't really used it before, so I don't know what it tastes like. And then I know that like lemon and peanut butter kind of contrast, but I might use just a little bit of it. To clean before I shower, and since I like washed the dishes and just made breakfast while I was down there, I'm just gonna clean my bathroom and then get ready for the day. But I put my hair into these like rollers, and I'm gonna keep it in while I clean it and stuff for at least the next like hour or so, probably up until I leave. So hopefully they curl in that time frame. But the state of my bathroom and room is not very it, so we're gonna clean it up. I'm all ready. I'm wearing this fall sweater and I'm wearing some of these fall socks I got in my boo basket, these little boxes, but I'm just gonna finish getting ready. I really need to eat some lunch now. I feel like, I don't know, cleaning my bathroom always takes me a while, and then I feel like I need to take a break afterwards and just like, but yeah. Just dropped off my clothes at Plato's Closet. They said it's gonna be a 2-hour wait, but I have class at 1:30, so I'm just gonna head to class right now. It's like 11:30, and just read my emails because I have been slacking on that a little bit, and maybe go through the syllabus for this new 8-week course because it's our first class period today, and I don't really know what we're gonna do. We got out of class early. I'm back home. I stopped by Plato's Closet on the way home and I got $23. So not too bad. Not mad at it. I don't know how much I expected to get, but you know, at least we got something. So yeah, class, we just taught, it's our last class of nursing school and it's transitions into professional practice. It's the course we have in conjunction with clinical or capstone. So it's just like ATI exams, a couple of assignments, and making sure that we're getting everything done. Assignments. I need to sign up to take the NCLEX, and I need to order my cap and gown. So it's getting real. I have an SI session tomorrow for farm, so just planning out my little session. I know I'm going to be observed tomorrow, so I want to make sure it's like extra good. And yeah, and then I have a workout class tonight at 7:30. It was supposed to be hot yoga, but they switched it to power yoga 1 and meditation. It's still gonna be like 99 degrees. So I'm super excited for that. But yeah. I forgot to film my dinner, but I ate my meal prep. If you're not following my fitness Instagram already, I just post like meal prep, recipes, workouts that I do throughout the week. So go ahead and follow that. But yeah, I'm getting ready for my yoga class now. Unfortunately, I have to wrap up my hair because it's gonna be 99 degrees in the room and ain't nobody got time to sweat out, leave out. No man. So I'm gonna head there.